Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Faris bin Liki, matrix number CA220017. I want to show how to use Excel to find the value for minimum. Then for the maximum, so same go to the table data. Min we use average. For the variance we use VRS. For the standard deviation we use STV.S. Then go to the level. Okay, then for the can repeat the step using the formula. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Nik Hamzah Hakim bin Hassan. My matric number is CE220005. Okay, I would like to create scatter diagram by Excel. Okay, firstly, highlight your data X and Y and search insert and go to search insert scatter. This for the basic scatter, and that show your data in a scatter plot. This is for the cumulative solar power Y, and that is kWh electricity per day X. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, this is Ammar Amin with metric AE220089. After we find the scatter plot, we can go to the next step in order to understand the relationship between the two variables we have. We find the regression line that represents or predict the values, the dependent values based on the any given independent value x. This line is calculated by minimizing the distance between the line and each observed point here. The equation of this line is given by this equation. In order to find the equation, we can go to this options for this line, print line options, and we go to display equation on chart. And also we can display the coefficient of determination, R square. In this case, we have 0.0011, which shows very weak or extremely weak linear correlation between the two variables. In Excel, we can find it directly using functions. For example, we can find the correlation, Pearson correlation, by using the correl function and choosing the x-axis variables and y-axis variables. And this is the Pearson correlation, and R square is basically the square of this variable. The slope, we also can find it using the slope function, which takes two inputs, the y values and also the x values. As you see here, the slope is the same as the one in the equation, and we have also the intercept. Using the intercept function in Excel, we can find it by giving it the values of x and y. Similarly, that's it for the regression line.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Jamaluddin Nasir, number metric AE220048, presenting about the regression outline and the output. So for the multiple R, it would be 0.2069 and the R square is 0.0428, which means that data obtained has low significance between each other based on the results. For the standard error, it just means that the average value is 39.3771. For the ANOVA, the significance level obtained is 0.2815, which is the p-value, It shows that this is higher than the significance level of 0.05, which means we have to accept the null hypothesis and reject the alternative hypothesis. So for the coefficient, it just shows that the y-intercept is 36,450 and the standard error is 46.6504.